If you want to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, but your PC doesn't meet the requirements like TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot, and you don't want to format your computer or use a bootable USB drive, in this video I'll show you a simple and effective method to upgrade to Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open Google and type Download Windows 11. Click on the first link, which is the official Microsoft website. Scroll down until you find Download Disk Image, ISO. Select Windows 11, Multi-Edition ISO, and click Confirm. Choose your language. I'll select English, United States, then click Confirm. Now click 64-bit Download and wait for the ISO file to download. After the download is complete, right-click the ISO file and choose Extract Files. Click OK. I'm using WinRAR for this. If you don't have WinRAR yet, just search on Google for Download WinRAR. Open the official website. Download the 64-bit version. Install it. And then extract the Windows 11 ISO files. After extracting the files, let's create a text file on your desktop or in your Downloads folder where the extracted Windows 11 files are located. Right-click, choose New, then Text Document. Open Notepad and type the following command: setup.exe/product/server. I'll leave this command in the description so you can copy it easily. Now click File, then Save As. Make sure you're saving inside the same folder where the Windows 11 files were extracted. In the file name field, type update.bat exactly like this. Now just click Save. Close Notepad. Next, open the folder with the extracted ISO files. Now double-click the update.bat file and click Yes to confirm. And that's it. The Windows 11 installer will open, and it won't block the process even if your PC doesn't meet the requirements. Quick tip: if it doesn't work the first time, just close it and try again. Sometimes it may fail on the first attempt. Click Next. Wait a few minutes. Accept the terms. And choose what you want to keep. You can keep your personal files, apps, and settings. Keep personal files only, or choose not to keep anything for a clean installation. I'll choose to keep everything. Click Next and wait for the update process to complete. Everything is ready to start the Windows 11 installation process. Click Install and wait for this step to complete. After that, your PC will restart to begin the installation process. This process can take several minutes or even hours, and your PC will restart multiple times. Once the installation is finished, wait a little longer for Windows 11 to load completely. And there we go, we're now running Windows 11. To confirm, go to Settings, then System. Scroll down and click About. At the bottom, you'll see your Windows version. In this case, it's 25H2. Finally, go to Windows Update and click Check for updates to keep your system secure and up to date. Quick tip: if you regret installing Windows 11 because of issues or simply because you didn't get used to it, there's a video here on the channel showing how to go back to Windows 10. The link will be in the description and in the cards above. If this method worked for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with others who might need these tips. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.